N&WNorfolkRailfan here with Norfolk Southern 276. Lehigh Valley Heritage Leading. Enjoy the video. Holy crap! Hell yeah! Train show, baby! Horn show for me! Hell yeah, first intermodal train. My first intermodal train on the move. Let's go. My first heritage unit on an intermodal train for me. I hope everyone's liking the video so far. Nice train today. And he's slowing down. Perfect. All the way from Ohio. Let's go. Beautiful train. This is a beautiful train, everybody. You know how much I love intermodal trains. Such beautiful engines. Just everything about these is so beautiful. You know what I mean? There you go, slowing down. First stop. Triple Amazon with another one. And we got some piggybacks too. Look at that. A mix of these. First time seeing these on a train. Look at that slowing down process. It's just beautiful. Holy, this is a big train, especially for me. There's the end. it goes, everybody. Norfolk Southern 276, Heritage Unit 8104. Lehigh Valley was leading. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make it your day, make it not. Norfolk Railfan out.